Hey there foodies, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are taking culinary journey to Africa with a delicious twist on a classic staple, rice with peanut butter. Trust me, you are in for a treat. First thing is first, let's talk about the rice. We are using a cup of white rice. It's important to wash the rice thoroughly until the water changes from milky to clear. This helps move excess starch and ensures perfectly cooked grains. Now that our rice is clean, let's get it cooking. Remember to drain the water that was used to clean the rice. Add 2 cups of hot water to the pot. Remember, hot water helps the rice cook evenly and absorb the flavors better. After this, add a teaspoon of salt. Now, stir for the salt to be incorporated well with the rice. Then, after this, resist the urge to stir. Let it simmer gently without any interference. We are looking for those small holes to appear on the surface of the rice, indicating it's cooking just right. Make sure your heat is on low and your rice should start looking like this. And again, no stirring. If it's not yet cooked, just add some more water and close the lid. And there you have it, perfectly cooked rice with a delightful texture. Now the magic begins. It's time to introduce the star of the show, African peanut butter. Grab your favorite peanut butter. Make sure it is sugar-free and not crunchy. Let's add a generous scoop to the pot. This is where the magic happens, my friends. The rich, nutty flavor of the peanut butter will elevate our rice to a whole new level. Now, give it a good stir. Make sure the peanut butter is well incorporated into every grain of rice. The aroma filling the kitchen right now is absolutely mouth-watering. Make sure that peanut butter is well incorporated into every grain of the rice. For more flavor and that creamy texture, if you love peanut butter like I do, you can as well add as much peanut butter as you want. Make sure to keep mixing, and if you need to add more peanut butter, please do so, and keep mixing until every grain is covered and there is no white part of this rice. And there you have it, a bowl of creamy, flavorful African-style rice with peanut butter. This dish is incredibly versatile. You can pair it with your favorite stew or enjoy it on its own. Whether you are exploring the diverse flavors of African cuisine or simply looking for a unique twist on rice, this recipe is a winner. So go ahead, give it a try, and let your taste buds dance the rhythm of Africa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and if you enjoyed this culinary adventure, until next time, happy cooking!